If you paint your text this way, you're wasting your time. But I can show you how to do it in not 1 minute, but in only one click. Before we start, we have to make sure that all of your filaments are synced to Bambu Studio. If you don't know how to do that, make sure you let me know in the comment section below so I can make a video about that. Now, after adding your mesh, add your text to it. Your text can be anything you want and any font you want. And then you go down to the object section and you select your text and you go to this box over here. The reason I told you your filament should be synced is for this step. Click on this box and select which color that is synced to your Bambu Studio. And here it is. That's all what it takes. So instead of wasting your time and doing it by clicking on each and every face and each and every edge, this is how you do it in only one click. But now we have another problem. Why is my mesh always sticking to the bed? And this problem is solved by clicking on this video over here. But guys, I have been on YouTube for like almost a year now and I haven't reached 1,000 subscribers, and it's pretty embarrassing. So please make sure you subscribe, because this will help the channel a lot and it will make me know that my content is helping you. See you in the next video.